On behalf of the chemistry department, I'd like to welcome you here today. My name is Tracy Drier. I'm the scientific glassblower for the department. My job here is to help you turn your ideas into reality. Whether it's a new project or glass repair, the glass shop is here to help. We work closely with the department's machine and electronics shop to help you with your research. Today, we are going to hammer weld platinum sheet and mesh to platinum wire as an alternative to spot welding. I learned this technique from my brother, Tim Drier, who works over at Dow Chemical Company. I will begin by welding 2 triangular pieces of sheet into one rectangle with an overlapping seam between the 2 pieces. I then take them, put them onto an anvil, heat up the pieces with the torch, and then, coming straight down with the hammer, I hit the seam. I test the seal by lightly pulling it apart to see if there are any areas that have not been welded together. I will now hammer weld a piece of wire onto this rectangle. Again, by pulling on it, you can see if they are sealed together. When properly done, hammer welding makes a strong connection along the entire length of contact between the 2 pieces, in contrast to the point contact nature of a spot weld. When hammer welding, pay attention to how red the wire is compared with the sheet or mesh you are joining together. If you don't heat the platinum up hot enough, the pieces won't stick together when you hammer them. When you hit it and it welds, that color goes away. And if you overheat the metal, it'll begin to ball up, which is especially problematic with the wire mesh.